The Russian Air Force just confirmed this 5th-gen fighter jet will never fly. Russia has declared its intention to build 4 prototypes of the cutting-edge Su-75 Checkmate single-engine 5th-generation fighter jet, with plans to begin flight tests as early as 2024, according to Russian state media. Compared to the F-35s in the U.S. Air Force, the Su-75 Checkmate aircraft is anticipated to be more cost-effective. Is this a game-changer? Well, let's uncover. Hey guys, welcome to our channel Future Warplanes, where we tell you about military fighter jets, military drones, and military planes from the currently famous in the air to the most advanced around the world. So stay with us till the end of this video so you don't miss out on any of this information. And before we proceed, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon so you don't miss out on any of our amazing videos in the future. And let's begin! Sukhoi, a Russian aircraft manufacturer, is currently working on the 5th-generation Su-75 Checkmate, a futuristic single-engine light tactical advanced aerial combat aircraft. High performance and low hourly running expenses will be offered by the stealth fighter jet. The Checkmate aircraft made its public debut in July 2021 at the MAX 2021 International Aviation Exposition in Sukhoi, Russia. The aircraft's initial appearance outside of North America took place at the Dubai Air Show in 2021 with the display of a prototype. The CEO of United Aircraft Corporation, a branch of state-owned Rostec, spoke to TASS on August 16th about their plans for the Army 2022 International Military Technical Event. From August 15th to 21st, the Russian Defense Ministry hosted the Army 2022 International Military Technical Forum at Patriot Park near Moscow, the Alabino Practice Range, the Kubinka Airfield, as well as in all of Russia's military districts in the Northern Fleet and in more than 30 Russian regions. As he discussed the company's plans, CEO Yuri Slyusar said that the Checkmate project makes use of cutting-edge supercomputer technologies. As a result, the corporation can begin the flight tests as early as 2023 and considerably cut the prototype manufacturing time. At this time, 2 prototypes are being produced as part of the preparations. We intend to construct a total of 4 prototypes, the CEO stated. The United Arab Emirates Dubai Air Show 2021 served as the fighter's international debut. The plane is a descendant of the fighter Su-57 of the 5th generation. Slyusar claims that when foreign customers expressed their requirements for the Su-75 Checkmate fighter, effort was done to enhance the machine. Since the project's debut at the MAX 2021 Air Show, efforts have been made to compile client feedback. The CEO also provided details on Checkmate's unmanned version. According to Slyusar, the base single-seat fighter's development will proceed at the same time as that of the unmanned Checkmate. He said, since the early stages of conception, development has been ongoing on the Checkmate's unmanned variant. The single-seat aircraft and the unmanned version can both be built. As the development on the manned version is progressing faster than expected, the potential for the unmanned aircraft's flying test will be developed. Following a number of ground testing, the Sukhoi fighter is anticipated to make its first flight in 2023. Serial manufacturing is scheduled to begin in 2026. Over the following 15 years, it's anticipated that 300 units will be created for export in addition to being made for the Russian armed forces. Even the entry-level single-seat aircraft, according to the CEO, has technological advancements that will hasten the creation of the unmanned version. The inboard compartment for airborne air-to-air and air-to-surface weaponry will be installed in this single-seat fighter jet. The fighter will be able to attack up to 6 targets at once and have a payload of over 7 tons. The Checkmate fighter will be able to fly at Mach 1.8 and have an operating range of 3,000 kilometers, 1.8 times the speed of sound. The airplane will have a highly efficient engine. Using a supercomputer, contemporary virtual modeling, and digital calculations, the aircraft was created locally, greatly cutting the testing and construction period to 5 years. The Su-57E 5th-generation fighter's export version scientific and technical foundation served as a springboard for the design. The Su-57E aircraft was used as a model for the onboard systems, cockpit, and certain other components. This cut costs and improved maintenance effectiveness. Even the entry-level single-seat aircraft, according to the CEO, has technological advancements that will hasten the creation of the unmanned version. The inboard compartment for airborne air-to-air and air-to-surface weaponry will be installed in this single-seat fighter jet. The fighter will be able to attack up to 6 targets at once and have a payload of over 7 tons. The Checkmate fighter will be able to fly at Mach 1.8 and have an operating range of 3,000 kilometers, and the airplane will have a highly efficient engine. The plane is 17.5 meters in length and 11.8 meters in wingspan, and the 5th generation onboard electronics of the fighter are made with great noise immunity in mind. The Su-75 Checkmate aircraft may be used in every climate and from challenging high-altitude airfields. Because of its open architecture and high adaptability, the aircraft will have room for futuristic improvements and the freedom to adopt new configurations at the lowest possible cost. The airframe design makes it simpler to maintain the aircraft and necessitates less staff for the maintenance processes, which is anticipated to increase the aircraft's combat readiness. In addition to the two-seater optionally manned and unmanned form, the aircraft will also be sold in a single-seat basic manned version. In a network configuration, the tactical fighter jet will be able to function with the unmanned aerial vehicles, or UAVs. Small drones will be able to be controlled by it. They'll be able to require real-time information about the battlefield using transmission technologies and react promptly. The Checkmate aircraft is equipped with armaments that may destroy opposing command centers and valuable assets. It has 11 exterior weapon attachment slots as well as 5 secret weapon bays, and it can transport 7,400 kilograms of combat payload. Both guided and unguided weapons are predicted to be launched by the aircraft. The guided weaponry to be carried include the 110-kilometer range RVV-SD medium-range missile and the 40-kilometer range RVV-MD short-range missile. The aircraft can also shoot down surface targets including ships with the KH-35UE and X-31PD missiles, which have a combined range of 250 kilometers. In addition, guided bombs like the KAB-250LGE, K-08BE, and K-029BE can fit in the weapon bays and be used to destroy ground targets from outside the enemy's air defense zone. Situational awareness on the route, threats, targets, and the status of all systems is provided through the onboard panoramic touchscreen displays. To make maintenance easier, the onboard technology and the cockpit have been integrated. The aircraft can carry out a variety of military tasks because of its advanced avionics. Known as Matryoshka, the combat aircraft Su-75 Checkmate has a logistic support system. By serving as a co-pilot, the key onboard electronic equipment with artificial intelligence capabilities lessens the workload of the pilot. The aircraft's critical systems are continuously monitored for health by the intelligence support system. The automated Matryoshka system lowers operating expenses while improving the effectiveness of post-sale maintenance, and it makes use of predictive analytics to find potential flaws, improving the fleet's readiness and availability. The Su-75 Checkmate has a cutting-edge multi-band passive detecting system that allows it to neutralize the target covertly. And it has an active phased array radar that allows it to track targets even in environments with intense electronic interference. The fighter jet's takeoff and landing distances have been shortened. It can maintain continuous supersonic flight and offer effective maneuvering up to 8G. And without a second fuel tank, the aircraft can operate at a range of more than 2,800 kilometers and a top speed of 1.8 Mach. And that's it for today, guys. We sincerely hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please make sure you click on the like button and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel to see even more incredible videos. Thanks for watching.